Hi guys, here 7 plus 6 is 13 times 2 minus 3 square plus 1 in bracket divided by 2. Here 13 times 2 is 26 minus 3 square plus 1 in bracket divided by 2. Here 26 minus 3 square is 9 plus 1 in bracket divided by 2. Here 26 minus this 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 2. Here 26 minus 10 is 16 divided by 2 is 8 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 8 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 7 plus 6 times 2 minus the bracket here is 3 square plus 1 divided by 2. Here 7 plus 6 times 2 minus the bracket is 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 2. Here we have addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. Here multiplication divisions are next priority. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this one. So we have to do this first. So 7 plus 6 times 2 is 12 minus 10 divided by 2. Here we have addition, subtraction and division. Here division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 7 plus 12 minus here 10 divided by 2 is 5. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 7 plus 12. 7 plus 12 is 19 minus 5. Here 19 minus 5 is 14 is the correct answer.